Hi everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Paano mag-delete ng GCash account? Ang gagawin natin ay pupunta tayo sa GCash application natin. Ayan. Kapag nandito ka na sa dashboard ng GCash mo, una, dapat ay naka-zero balance na ang iyong GCash wallet. Now, paano nga ba natin madi-delete yung ating GCash account kung meron na tayong bagong GCash account? Okay? So, click natin yung profile dito sa pinakababa, sa right corner, sa pinakababa. Click natin yung profile. Then, i-check muna natin kung paano mag-delete. Okay? So, click natin yung help. Then, i-click natin yung get help. Then, click natin yung your account. Then, update and manage your account. Ayan. Click natin yan. Then, see all articles. Then, hanapin natin yung delete or close my old GCash account. Ayan o, sa pinakababa. So, dito natin malaman kung paano i-delete or i-close yung ating old GCash account. Ang sabi rito, if you request to delete your GCash account, you lose access to all GCash services, including cards, insurance, savings, and investments. You can't log in anymore. Your data will be deleted after 5 years as required by the law. And requirement to close your account: withdraw investments from GFunds, GCrypto, GBonds, or GStocks to your GCash wallet. Pay off all outstanding balances, loans in GLoan, GGives, GCredit, and BorrowLoad. Withdraw all funds from your wallet. And steps to request for account deletion. First, prepare a valid ID and take a selfie with it. Second, on the GCash app, tap profile, your name, then delete account. Attach your ID and selfie. Ayan. So, if you can't access the app, click here to contact support. So, click natin yung valid ID, no? Ayan. So, privacy notice: the information you provide will only be used to verify your identity and process your account deletion request. Once we validate your identity and complete the form, you will be proceed with the deletion of your GCash account. So, check natin yung valid ID na pwede natin ipasa. Na kailangan natin i-selfie kasama yung ID. Yan, accepted IDs for GCash verification. See the list of valid government IDs accepted by GCash to verify your account. ID requirements: aside from the type of ID, make sure your ID is valid and not expired, not damaged and clear. The actual physical ID, scan, Xerox, or photocopied IDs are not allowed except for the national ID. Ayan. So, ito yung list of valid ID accepted. Ayan. So, list of IDs accepted. So, click natin to. Yung 18 with PH SIM. Ayan. National ID, passport, Pag-ibig Loyalty Plus, driver license, Philippine Postal ID, PRC ID, saka UMID ID, saka SSL ID. Ayan. So, sa GCash Junior naman, ayan, ganun din. National ID, passport, student ID. Tapos, GCash Overseas Filipinos Abroad with a non-PH SIM. Okay. Pakibasa na lang po. Ayan, pakipost kapag babasahin nyo. Tapos, kapag foreigners residing in PH with a PH SIM, at yung G-Tourist, foreigners visiting PH for 30 days. Foreign passport. So, ayan. So, ayan yung mga valid IDs na accepted, no? So, mag-focus tayo dito sa Filipinos 18 plus years old with PH SIM. Ayan. So, ayan yung kailangan nating i-picture, no? Kasama natin kapag selfie tayo. So, balik tayo doon sa ating GCash. Ayan. So, ang sabi doon ay punta tayo sa ating profile. Sa pinakababa, Sa pinakababa, ito. Yung profile, click natin yung profile. Then, i-click natin tong arrow. Yung meron parang mata, yung close na mata, tapos merong arrow doon. Click natin yan, sa gilid, sa taas. Yan. Then, makikita nyo yung info dito, no? So, for security purpose, naka-blurred po siya. Okay. Sa pinakaba, makita nyo, delete account. Ayan, nakalagay delete account. So, i-delete natin yung GCash account ko. Ito yung second GCash account ko na hindi ko na ginagamit. So, kailangan ko siya i-delete. So, delete account. Click natin yan. Then, are you sure you want to go? You need to delete your account. If you want a better, feel free to come back again anytime. So, click natin yung continue. Ayan, before you go, make sure you don't leave anything behind. Pay pending balances in GCredit and GGives. Withdraw savings from GSave and GInvest. Spend money online, in store or in GLife. Pay bills or send load to your friends. Cash out remaining balance. Account deletion will be completed in 5 business days. Ayan. So, click natin dito sa baba, delete account. Are you sure you want to proceed? Click proceed. Then, submit a ticket. Sabi niya, ayan. Reminder, before inputting your information, make sure you have your ID and documents ready. You may refer here. For more information, please make sure that all the information entered is consistent with your ID documents. Ayan. Important, if you created a new verified account, do not fill out this form. Instead, follow the instruction here. Ensure to attach a valid ID and accomplished form. Please press here to download the form. Failure to do so will result to rejection. You can use your GCash app to reply or get updates about your ticket. Log into your app, tap help on the upper right, your conversation, tap here to learn more. Ayan. So, ayan siya. So, nakalagay dito, ayan, submit a request, your email address, your GCash registered full name, your mobile number of the GCash account you want to cancel, delete. Ayan. Why are you deleting this account? Ayan. So, click natin kung yung malabas. I no longer have access to this number. I do not want to use GCash anymore. I want to create a new account but already exceeded the allowable account limits. A family member is going to register this number in GCash under their name. Then, others. Ayan. So, i-click ko rito is, I do not want to use GCash anymore. Ayan. Tapos, mobile number of the GCash account you want to cancel or delete. Ayan. So, copy lang natin yung ating number doon. Ayan. Okay. Then, please input the ID number that you are going to attach. Ayan. So, ang gagamitin ko is yung UMID ID ko. Ayan. So, UMID ID ang gagamitin kong pang-verify, no, na valid ID. Ayan. So, i-double check natin kung tama. Ayan. Yan, tama naman. You need to upload the photo of your valid government-issued ID and your selfie holding your valid ID to verify your request. I confirm that I have already withdrawn my remaining balance and paid off my lending obligation in GCash. Yan, for any transaction to avoid any delay or error in the account closure process. Yes, agree. I understand that after my account is closed, GCash shall keep records of my personal information, transactions, and correspondences as per by law. Yes, I agree. Please share what happened or add other information about your concern. Ayan. So, ilagay natin dito. Ilagay ko dito, I have already a new GCash account. I want to delete my old GCash account. Ayan. Tapos kasama yung number para alam nila. Ayan. Tapos dito sa baba ay mag-add files tayo. So, dalawa yung ipapasa natin na photo na i-upload. Una, yung ID mo, na valid ID. Then, yung ID na kasama mo sa selfie. Ayan. So, click natin attach file or add file. Then, nakagawa na ako, no? Naka-pinicturean ko na yung ID ko tsaka yung nag-selfie na ako. So, click natin to. Ayan. Then, another one. Ayan. So, ayan. Dalawa yung in-upload natin na photo. Una is yung picture ng ating valid ID. Then, second, yung ating selfie with ID. Okay? Then, click natin yung submit. Okay? Click natin submit. Ayan. We've received your request. Thank you for reaching out to us. We'll get back to you as soon as we can. You can check the status of your request by tapping help in the GCash app or via email. Ayan. So, nakapagpasa na tayo for deletion ng ating GCash account, no? Kasi meron na tayong ibang GCash account. So, kailangan natin i-delete yung ating GCash account na kasama dun sa number natin. So, hopefully, ma-approve. Para sa ganun ay pwede na tayo gumawa ng another GCash account. So, yan ang tutorial kung paano mag-delete ng GCash account dito sa GCash application.